I'm going to tell you how to use the app called My Talking Avatar. So you click on it. This is my character, but I'll make a new one. So there should be a slot at the bottom right hand corner for your first one. Then if not, then swipe. Press the plus, press whatever kind of character you're doing, and I'll do female. This is the skin colour. So pick whatever skin colour you want. And eyes. Pick whatever eye kind you want. Oh wait, sorry. And then you pick the eye colour, the eye size, your eyebrows. So I'm just going to go for a random one. That looks good. Now hair. Just going to pick this random one. Then a random colour. Then you can pick the t-shirt you're wearing, colour. Then you can choose which kind of trousers you would like. So this should be your avatar. I'm just going to click on this one and then press create video. And as you can see, I'm using my camera for mine. Press this one for video. Press this one to upload a video. So then you press this character one to press where. Then you press this one to go like this. And you press this one to put it where you want it. Then you press this one to zoom in and zoom out. Then you press this for if you want one of these backgrounds. Then you press this for things like this. But you press this and then as you can see it's talking when I'm talking. So then you press done, you press this and you can save your video.